Welcome. In front of me is a LENOVO Yoga Tab 11, and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this tablet. So to get started, simply swipe down on your screen, and then swipe down once more to extend the list of toggles. And on one of the pages you should see a power saving toggle. So I'm going to swipe to the left because I don't see anything like that on the first page, and I don't see it actually on the second page either. Because it was on the first page, never mind, I'm just blind. So as you can see, it's right over here. Now this is the default orientation of the toggles, so hopefully you can find yours in the same exact place. Now from here, simply press on the toggle. It will bring up a message letting you know that battery saver turns on dark theme and limits or turns off background activity, some visual effects, certain features, and some network connections. So we're gonna select turn on, and I'm gonna quickly touch upon one notification that was, or one message in that entire pop-up. So the network connections. So if you encounter that your device just doesn't give you, or gives it but like really delayed notifications from, for instance, email, fetching, or maybe just messages through WhatsApp, Facebook, or whichever one, then default will be with the battery saver, because it will most likely disconnect from Wi-Fi and mobile data when the device is not being used. So once you wake up the device, it will automatically reconnect and then sync up everything that was missing, but till you do that, it might not be getting any kind of notification. So that's what the message is referring to. So if you see a problem like that on your end, just know that it is the battery saver. Anyway, once you're done with your power saving mode, you can turn it off by simply tapping on the toggle once again, and there you go. Now, with this being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.